McCarthy spent most of career at Stanford University. He received many honors, okay, such as 1971 Turing Award. It is a Nobel Prize in Turing Award is Nobel Prize for computer scientists. Okay, so for his contribution to the topic of AI. Then the United States National Medal for Science, and also Japanese prize he got for Kyoto Prize. It is also one of the highest prize for when you do an original research. So it is a Japanese prize. Uh, McCarthy championed mathematical logic for artificial intelligence. Mathematical logic is the study of logic within mathematics, of mathematics. That is knowledge of knowledge.